Everybody, hope you're having a blessed day. I'm here with one of our vintage rotary phones, and today we got I believe it's a late 70s to early 80s Trimline Rotary phone. So it's aqua blue. I got it for my birthday. I just haven't had a chance to show it to y'all. Here's what the inside looks like. Has that glow light up dial so you can see at night. Dials really smoothly. Has a redial button. See the light goes off when you hang it up. Trimline. It's got a dial toner and everything. So here's the bottom of it. I have to turn it that way so y'all can see. It's got like a loud and all that. I think it's a plastic bottom, so that's why I believe it's late 70s, early 80s. So I'll give you the ringing sound right here. Here we go. See, it's got a hello. And there's that. So it's got the loud or quiet thing works on it, and it works good. So anyways, thank you all for watching, and y'all have a great day, rest of your day, and God bless y'all. Bye bye.